Do you use a hearing aid in one ear? Learn how to stream sound to AudioStream and your hearing aid at the same time.
Phones with Android 12 and later let you stream sound to AudioStream and an ASHA-compatible hearing aid at the same time for bimodal streaming. You can find a list of tried and tested devices at go.medel.com/AudioStream. Before pairing your phone with AudioStream and your hearing aid, you'll need to configure it using the Audio Key 2 app. Find in-depth instructions in AudioStream Hands-On, pairing with an Android device, or your user manual. Make sure that both your AudioStream and hearing aid are turned off. Enable Bluetooth on your smartphone and switch on AudioStream. AudioStream will connect to your phone automatically. Once AudioStream is connected, turn on the hearing aid you use on your other ear. Once turned on, usually indicated by a sound, follow your phone's instructions to pair your hearing aid with your phone. Now both AudioStream and your hearing aid are connected to your phone. You can start streaming music and calls to both ears at the same time.
Now you can listen to your favorite tunes in both your ears.